In this question, we will calculate the target profit by different methods, like equation method, and the second one is contribution margin method. Lemon Corporation has a single product whose selling price is 140, whose variable cost is 60. The company monthly fixed expense is 40,000, right? We have three values. One is 140 selling price, 60 is variable cost, and fixed is 40,000. Using the equation method, solve for the unit sale that are required to earn a target profit of 6,000. Okay, we know that very well, that now we have target profit that is 6,000, right? So here we are not calculating the break-even quantity or a break-even units. So what we do need to write here 0, right? Okay, the sales unit is, or you can say the sale is $140 of what we want to know, Q quantity. We will write here Q sales equal to variable expense. Variable is 60 Q, and the fixed expense is, your fixed expense is $40,000, and my profit is 6,000, right? My target profit is, we have already discussed in our lecture that what is target profit. So what we do need to discuss the target profit. We are just focused on calculation, right? In this, right, we are now just focusing on the calculation. Okay, now again I will write the same here again. 140 on the other side, it become minus, and that's it, right? 40 plus 6, 46. 140 minus 60. Okay, 140 minus 60 equal to 80, right? So here I will write here the $80Q, right, equal to 40 equal to $46,000, right? Because I will sum these two values, 40 plus 6, that is 46,000, right? Okay, now solve it. Q equal to, and I will calculate 46,000 divided by 80. So my units is 575, right? If I want to attain the target profit of 6,000, so the company must have to sell 575 units, right? 575 units the organization must have to sell to target this 6,000, right? Okay, now the second requirement is, using the contribution margin approach, solve for the unit sales that are required to earn a target profit of 8,000. Again we want to find or solve for the units, solve for the unit sale, but here the target profit is at 8,000. Okay, now we have a formula. Units sold to attain the target profit is equal to fixed expense, and my fixed expense is $46,000 plus my target profit is, here the target profit is change, right? 46,000 fixed expense were 40,000, and 8,000 is my target profit, right? And I will divide these value with the unit contribution margin, right? Divide by unit contribution margin, and my unit contribution margin was sale minus variable, that is 80. sales minus variable, we can check again. My sale is 140, my variable is 60, so my CM is 140 minus 60 is 80, right? Again, you can make it in that way as we have done in previous work. Selling price is 140, variable price is 60, and my CM is UCM, unit CM, 1 per unit, right? 140 minus 60, that is 80. So I will divide 48,000 by 80. 48,000 divided by 80, right? So my units are, or I can say the quantity is, my quantity is to attain a target profit is 600. If I want to sell my, if I want to attain the target profit of 8,000, so the company must have to sell the 600 units, right? Or if the company want to, in the first requirement, or if the company want to target 6,000, the quantity must be sold 575 units. If the company want to attain the target profit, units sold to attain the target profit, fixed expense plus target unit contribution margin, that is 600 units, right? So we have done. Thank you.